Let me show you how you can solve this math problem. You have been told to find an equation whose roots are given as 2 all over 3 and minus 3 all over 4. So we're going to say, let x equals to 2 all over 3 and x equals to minus 3 all over 4. You will agree with me that a quadratic equation must have two solutions. So these are the two solutions. Our task here is to find the equation that has these two solutions. We have to equate x to 0 in both cases. In order to equate this to 0, we can say that x, if 2 all over 3 crosses over to meet x here, the sign here is plus. So by the time it changes to this side, it becomes minus. We're going to have s minus 2 all over 3 equals to 0. Do the same thing here. X, the sign of 3 all over 4 here is minus. So by the time it crosses over to meet x on the left hand side, it becomes plus 3 all over 4 equal to 0. So you've done the first stage. The next thing you have to do is multiply them out. We're going to have x minus 2 all over 3 multiplied by x plus 3 all over 4 equal to 0. So this is what we have now. A typical quadratic equation will have this kind of brackets. Now what are we going to do? We're going to multiply out the bracket, that is, use this to multiply this. Or you can use this because the sign here is positive, so it will be easier to use this to multiply this. So I'm going to say x from here multiply x minus 2 all over 3. What's the sign here? Plus 3 all over 4 multiply x minus 2 all over 3. So I use this bracket to multiply everything here. Let us multiply out. S times s is x squared. X times minus 2 all over 3 will give us 2 all over 3x plus 3 all over 4 multiplied by x will give us 3 all over 4x. And then we have minus 3 times 2 will give us 6 all over 4 times 3, which will give us 12. So this is what we have. We must then remove the fraction. To solve this problem, we have to remove the fraction. You notice that we have on the denominator side, what is dividing x squared? We have 1. What is dividing this? We have 3. Here we have 4, and here we have 12. So we need to find the LCM of 1, 3, 4, and 12, which is 12. The LCM of 1, 3, 4, and 12 is 12. So we're going to multiply across every expression in this using 12. So that will give us 12 times x squared is 12x squared minus 12 times 2 all over 3x plus 12 times 3 all over 4x minus 12 times 6 all over 12. So let me make it clearer here. So this is 12 times x rather. Now I will continue from this side. 12 times x squared gives us 12x squared. 3 can go in instead to give us 1. 3 goes in 12 to give me 4, right? So I'm going to have 4 times 2. So there's a sign there, minus 2 times 4 times 2 will give me 8x. The sign here is plus. Then I'm going to say 4 in itself is 1. 4 goes in 12 will give me 3. So I'm going to have 3 times 3. That becomes 9x. And finally, the sign here is minus. 12 in itself is 1. 12 here is 1. So 1 times 6 is minus 6 equals to 0. But we are not done. So we are going to collect items here. Minus 8x plus 9x. What will it give me? Minus 8 plus 9 plus 1. But we don't write 1x. So just write plus x minus 6 equals to 0. Now, this is the quadratic equation whose roots are this. If you factorize this, you are going to get this as the solutions. Please like, share, and comment, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.